Game Pass, and yet you spending here 200 quid on cameras, yeah? Huh? Can I just put it like that? You sure? Is that fence? Shut the board, come on. Alright, wheelie time. Oh shit, wrong way. Fuck. I went the off-road. Let's go front of him and then I'll try. Slow down, Yusuf. Hello, little puppy. Look, boats. Yusuf, slow down, why are you running? Look, a sky. I'm making your video cringe. And slow down. Yusuf, what if I throw you down there? You gotta fetch something. You might as well if you're going down there. Oh, it's holding too much in. Skid. Oh, nah, fucked off. Too dangerous. What happened to the water? Ah, damn it. You're gonna have to get this footage, yeah? Fuck, it's actually tiring. It's so heavy to lift this thing up. It's so hard to lift the wheels up. Oh fuck. Oh fuck it. Hey, you best get that. It's a little bit, not too good, but I know I've been this way before. You can go from here all the way to the top of the water mead.
Yeah, but I want to go to see this one.
That was the last time. You went all the way on the top. Oh, this is, oh, let's go to the skate park. You sir, still recording, yeah? Mountain. No. It is sick, but I can't even jump this thing. Need full speed here. Check if it's still recording. You can't even paddle on these, man. Fucking mud wet in my mouth. How do BMX people do this thing? You need proper speed here. Go on, you still throw some wheelies in there.
I can't jump on this and my suspension will break.
Hey.
Ready?
Yeah, go, go, go. Worst choice. I missed some of the scenes. I got good ones, but then I missed it. Shit! Go on! Yeah! Yeah! Oh fuck! Fuck! Shit! Oh fuck! I can't do it. How do you do a toad voice? Oh yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. Yeah. So how do you do a toad voice? Of Daddu voice? Rabbit. Rabbit. No, that's rabbit, bro. Fuck.
I love this place.
Quit playing in bunny. Let's go.
One is good for you.
But not for your bike. Come on. What was that sign? The one with the two legs going folding in. Do carriageway. Oh, okay. Look, where the shouldn't we be taking a pic from that side or this side? Caption, think we're lost. Jumping time! Hammer on, I ain't got nothing. I've got a Gopro on. I'm observing. Oh shit, you are crossing it. Big man. My son can read the roundabout now. Proud of you. Oh.